In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find backlinks of any website using Semrush. Backlinks are links from other sites that point to yours, and they're a core signal search engines use to evaluate trust and authority. Knowing where a site's backlinks come from helps you benchmark competitors, spot partnership opportunities, and plan your own link building. Let's walk through it together so you can confidently pull and interpret this data. First, open Semrush and head to the SEO section. From there, choose Backlinks. This opens the Backlink Analytics tool, which is where you'll run your analysis. Next, enter the website you want to investigate. You can paste a full domain, a subdomain, or even a specific URL if you're analyzing a single page. Type it in and click Analyze. Semrush will fetch the data and present a snapshot of the site's link profile. On the overview screen, you'll see three key metrics. Backlinks is the total number of individual links pointing to the site. Referring domains shows how many unique websites those links come from, which often matters more than raw link count. And authority score is Semrush's composite metric that estimates the site's overall strength based on links and other signals. Use these at-a-glance numbers to gauge scale and health before you dive deeper. To examine individual links, switch to the Backlinks tab at the top. Here you'll find a detailed table. Focus on the source URL column. This tells you the exact page on another site that contains the link. Identifying the source page helps you understand context, such as whether the link is from an article, a directory, or a resources list, which can inform your outreach or content strategy. While you're in this table, analyze a few essentials. Look at anchor text to see the clickable words used. Relevant, natural anchors are generally stronger signals than spammy or overly optimized ones. Check the link type to see whether it's follow or no follow. Follow links can pass authority, while no follow links are usually for reference, but both can drive traffic and brand visibility. Keep an eye on authority score to prioritize higher quality sources when evaluating opportunities. For a domain level perspective, click Referring Domains. This view groups links by website, letting you see all the sites that link to the domain. It's useful for spotting standout partners, diversifying your link sources, and assessing overall quality rather than just volume. When you're ready to share or save your findings, use Export or Export to PDF to download your backlink report. It's great for audits, progress tracking, and presentations. That's it. Thanks for watching.